We had taken a survey that indicated that the level of enthusiasm and energy within our congregation was much lower than we had anticipated. The survey was administered by the Joshua Group, so we started working with them to help us figure out why that was the case and what is it that we could or should do about increasing the level of energy and enthusiasm about the kind of ministry and leadership that the church provides. So we learned that the Joshua Group does provide some consulting services to help churches explore why they are where they are and where they want to head, where do they want to go, and how exactly would they go about doing that. What does energize our congregation? And once we identify that, how do we start living into that? Through our work with the Joshua Group, which involved a lot of congregation-wide conversations, lots of questions being asked, and listening to what the members of our congregation had to say, we discovered that we are not the church that we thought we were. We discovered that people wanted to be much more engaged with the ministry decisions, not just with the ministry that happens in our church, and that the kind of ministries that really excited them were ministries that addressed those who were less fortunate than us. We downsized our council from a council of 12 to a council of just 7. We created ministry hubs so that it sort of expanded the leadership base. By working with the Joshua Group, and in particular with Kristen Wiersma, our congregation could bring to life that new leadership system. And that new leadership system made all the difference in terms of energizing people and getting them to be more enthusiastic about the ministry that we did. Because they were selecting the ministry, they were doing what they were passionate about, what we as a congregation identified that we are passionate about and gifted to serve. Our work with the Joshua Group, I think, was so instrumental and so transforming because we did not listen to what they thought we should do. Instead, they modeled how we listen to what the members of our congregation want to do or feel called to do. So it really has made a difference, and I totally credit Kristen for the kind of work and how she worked with us. She is an amazing facilitator, amazing. And she could really pinpoint what she was hearing and helping us to hear it and process that.